First, gather all the included components. Then, gather all the tools required for assembly. Start by sliding the nose plate and the two shims into the base of the frame assembly. Line up the holes on the shims, nose plate, and the frame assembly. Fasten the axle brackets using the 13mm bolts. The brackets are marked to indicate right and left if you are standing behind the dolly. Place the extendable loop between the screws on the inside of the assembly. Place on the nuts and tighten the 13mm bolts just until they hold. Don't fully tighten yet. Now turn the dolly over and slide the axle through the brackets. Use pliers to safely hold the pin. Insert the pins into the axle and use a hammer to secure them in place. Now, go back and fully tighten the 13mm axle bracket bolts in step 5. Place the first washer on the axle, slide on the wheel, then add the second washer. Insert the cotter pin into the hole. Then bend both ends away from the center. Slide the handle onto the frame and secure using the 10mm bolts. To change modes, simply twist the lever to either side. Pull down on the handle to angle the casters over the axle and push down on the frame. For 45-degree incline mode, push the locking pin into the square hole. To release, simply pull back on the locking pin. Twist the lever downwards to lock. Our dollies are made to last under heavy daily use. Experience the superior design and versatility of our dollies. Move anything like a pro with Vergo.